Hi, myself, Advocate Jagdish. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Trial. Please, I request you all to subscribe this channel because only by subscription you can watch videos in the future, and also never forget to press the bell button, which will send a message every time we make a new videos. So never miss our new videos. And if you like our videos, kindly give a like over there and can leave a message in the comment section. Apart from this, you can also share this videos in the social media to create greater awareness. And once again, I welcome you all. And last time we spoke about the farm bill amendment by the Indian union government. And today, apart from the farm amendment, the Indian union government has made amendment into various laws. We just picked up few laws. One law we today the amendment what changes they bought is the Labor Act. We'll speak about the Labor Act. What are the amendments and what are the changes and what are its impact on the society and the laborers. Apart from that, we'll also speak about the FEMA, Foreign Contribution Regulation Amendment bill, which recently in the Rajya Sabha the government has made amendments to it. Apart from that, Essential Commodities Act, it's one more act which the ruling Modi government has brought in. And coming to first part is the union government has made amendments to the Labor Act. That is to be specific, Industrial Relationship Code 2020. The amendment has been made to this. As per this, the changes or the amendment, the factory or the industry which has less than 300 employees, no need, in case if they want to remove the employees, there is no need to take any prior approval from the authorities. And now the government amendments has brought in strength to the industrialists, industrial owners, or the people the capitalists, so that anytime they wanted to remove or terminate any employee, no need for a prior approval. They can hire and they can fire. That is what is the latest amendment. And due to this latest amendment to the labor law, Industrial Relationship Code 2020, there is a huge I think opposition from the labor unions across India. They are all planning to protest for this amendments which the Union Modi government has brought into this labor laws, especially to the Industrial Relationship Code 2020, the Occupation Safety, Health and Working Conditions Code 2020, and Social Security Code 2020. See, all these amendments. What are the amendments the Union Modi government or the Indian government has brought into this Labor Act is nothing for the laborers or the workers. It is completely dedicated to only for the capitalists, industries, industrial owners. It is going to only benefit the industrial owners, and there is nothing which is going to benefit the laborers or the workmen or workmen forces or the unions. Nothing. So just keeping this amendment apart, there is also one more amendment which the Indian government has brought it. That is FEMA, Foreign Contribution Regulation Amendment Bill. The amendment has been brought to this also. So what is the changes in this? Basically, this is about foreign contribution. Any donations from the foreign to the individual or NGOs or to the political party. There is a changes they have brought it. See, what is the change? That bars and transfer of foreign funds from one NGO to another, prohibiting public servants from taking any donation from abroad, and mandating Aadhaar for registration. For any NGOs which are going to take a donations from abroad, there's a huge scrutiny, and they have barred it also. And there's a huge scrutiny, and they have to provide a lot of documentation. They have got a lot of stringent scrutiny to this funding, and they say no outside force should keep a political influence on anybody. So that's the reason we have bought it. The same government which says this has made a law free, that is FEMA, this foreign contribution in this same law. They have made very stringent and very I think for the NGOs and for the individual. The same, the government has made, the political funding or the funding from outside donations. Any political party can freely accept it without any scrutiny. This is the good news about for political parties. The same government, has made it, prohibition or regulation or the stringent, scrutiny has been put across to NGOs, individuals and other people. The same, the government has made, the foreign donations or foreign funding for political, for totally free from totally free. They can take how much ever the funds they wanted. There's no accountability for them. Nobody can question them through RTI. And this is what the changes. The same government which spoke about equality, justice for the people, now having two different laws, one for political party, another for people, and this has been exposed by the recent amendment for the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act. Apart from this, the Union government is planning to, I think, privatize all, I think, power supply companies, which are owned by the government. As per today, most of the power supply companies are owned by the government. The new policies, are planned. The new policies by the Union government. The government is planning to privatize all the, what you call power supply companies. And already the fate of farmers in India has come to stress by the amendment to the Farm Bill. Now, if they privatize all this, power supply companies, I think the fate of farmers will be destroyed in total. That is what our analysis from this. Apart from this, the Union government is also amended the Essential Commodities Act, keeping onion, potato, cereals, pulses, and oilseeds away from. They have removed from the list of essential commodities. And what is this essential commodities? Essential commodities are the commodities which are used by people at large, and which are called as a basic, basic commodities, and which should not be stocked, to so that if the people, if the corporates, industrialists, or the capitalists, if they stock this, onion, potato, I think that will impact on the regular supply chain. That's the reason all this, onion, potato, pulses, were, and oil seeds, pulses, were kept, in the essential commodity list. But the recent amendment, to the Essential Commodities, Act, has made free market to all these commodities. Okay, the pulses, what you call, onion, potato, oil seeds, and for all this, they have amended and made it, open market. Now the onion and all these things doesn't come under the essential commodities. And tomorrow, if this, all these are, non-perishable goods, in case if the investors or the capitalists start, stocking this, essential items, and tomorrow if the market faces the supply chain effect, it is going to impact on the end users or the consumers. And what is the answer for all this? The amendment or the law doesn't explain. And keeping all this, details, before you, after Farm Bill, these are the major changes. Apart from, there are many amendments which has taken place in the parliament. But as per this, we have chosen this, 4 to 5 laws to explain and keep it before the people and its impact. And once again, hope if you like our videos, kindly, subscribe these videos. Apart from this, also there's a bell button, never forget to press the bell button once you subscribe it, so that you can get a message whenever we make a new videos. Apart from this, if you like our videos, kindly like it. If you want to leave some message, you can leave a message in the comment section. Apart from this, thanks a lot for encouraging us. Keep encouraging us to make new videos and ensuring the ultimate idea of this YouTube channel is learn law simply. We wanted to ensure people learn the law simply. And myself, K.N. Jagdish Kumar, an advocate from Bangalore. Thanks a lot.